Hello guys, hello everybody. Yo, this Vera TV program on the building. Yes. So I appreciate you. I'm not trying to share to not as I take post today. Yes, I just want to change another pattern like this. So now so my people, God will bless and appreciate you. I love this Vera TV program on the building once again. So I greet you, and appreciate you a lot. Thank you, everybody. This is me. Yes, I thank you, I appreciate you all once again. So now so my people, I get to get matter for now today. And those people when I get the matter for today is for Africa Last Lady, Gladys, and Lolo. This life, when Monica and Lolo they play, when they jolly, when they play here and there, we not expect say this matter fit come or problem fit come one day. So na so relationship be, na so friendship be when be say when you dey do friend, when una dey play, you go think say maybe one day una go think say maybe problem no go dey or fight no go dey. So e dey be like that, but I just want to use this opportunity to tell people, especially like this Africa Last Lady, because yesterday I just did busy on office today. I not see chance enter. I just do this short video for my channel to update and to still wish my real fans God will bless and appreciate them. So there are two they play, African Last Lady and Mama Gladys who give you Mama self. They play now. They just say they don't go quarrel forever. They just say matter no go still come wey be say you go still turn quarrel between them. There are two go still fight, disgrace go still meet them. So people need to get brave for this life. Their head need to dey work. Their brain need to dey work. Because they sent me the video when she do yesterday, Africa Last Lady. I not say now Gladys, now wetin Gladys do, now you dey follow, and now wetin Gladys tell you, now you dey do. Because say Monica and Gladys, they know they play. Now you can't get the audacity and the mind to dey talk. You don't baff when you dey comot the talk for another person own. If not do not say I know they do saga, if they not get topic, my people, they'll say they know they do saga, I know they do saga, I know they do saga. Whereas saga na their food, na their hobby. If they don't get topic, they'll say they know they do saga, no say I take pose like this one. Because of Last Lady and Gladys, now made me pose like this. If they don't see topic, they'll say they know they do saga, they know they do saga, they know they do saga, anything concern saga, not concern them. Whereas saga na their hobby, saga na their food. Because you and Gladys they play now. Una go still watch past, you go still watch past Monica and Lolo. Even they don't happen this year, not happen next year. But no say if they play, they don't know say quarrel go come. And I want to give una this message when we say now call they use Monica name. Monica no go. The time when Monica they pound everybody, the time when Monica they talk people matter. No be the same una still go they clap hand for her. The time when Monica do my own, I know say Monica no carry man near me oh. Now people wey get long mat at the end and at the cost they cause the Monica. When be say when I they talk that people say maybe I they lie because they didn't know how they wanted to do you this presenter. They call say make me enter has made they enter. Now the vestation when they take come on go they stamp. When they call give Monica, when Monica call say they be better person. Shebi na that one now call they cost Monica now. That is life for you. It good the person they talk, it good make people open with you. They say, you sure say wait till this person they talk truth they inside or you know they. When they talk about that, people say na lie, they lie. Now, he call they join the Jennifer, they cost the Monica now. You understand? And he get one video when Monica call the advice her more. When they see life, that is life for you. So then when they call the Canada, Monica, the time when Monica they do when they carry matter go they give her not be there they go they call Monica they give Monica matter. Because as me day now, I don't know what they happen for my house. I not call you say I bet you get matter brief for me. How come I'll cut sit down they talk your matter? Fine say we on a blogger. But at a time, if they not carry matter go give Monica, they say they pay Monica put. My own that time when Monica turn na 50,000 now they pay Monica. Yes, 50,000 for Nigeria money. No be they go carry matter they give Monica wake up be say na Monica matter na cut the chat. No come no say Monica na bad person. By the way, if Lolo and Monica not get matter, Lolo make we move enemy of progress because me I not for the support enemy of progress. I hate people when they jealous. If Lolo not the jealous, what you cause quarrel between and Monica? Wake up be say na waka dey talk. You know You want tell me say you know with your big lips. You want tell me say you know now Monica call the ever since you not bring and come outside though. When Monica never become presenter, when people know whenever they get view, they get dollar sign. Whenever they get sticker, you not come outside say with your big lips. Because you know what thing, I believe say God will begin to punish many people for this social media and people when they call themselves presenter and YouTuber. Many of them, God will begin to deal with them one after the other. Because you know why? People are enemy of progress. When friends una first dey quarrel for inside body, if you now look at the friendship una don build long time ago, Lord, is it suppose make you carry matter call dey talk for medium? E suppose make you carry matter call dey talk for medium, dey carry matter dey talk wey no gree finish, dey use indirect. My dear, na wetin make me say some of una for social media no reach you. As me dey so I no dey fear anybody. If I wan talk to you, I go knock you for head. No be to dey use indirect. Now the indirect still spoil the last lady today. As me that one. You know but talk to me because if you talk to me agbe by now the same country me and dey if I say for I know they go in house go beat her. Yeah, why me over last lady I go use slap take bend your mouth go once your face with be like she shun face. Now you want cut off for Monica because of your godmother don't carry the matter for her the bad carry Monica matter when Monica matter go take kill them. Because this message is for last lady Lolo and big head again because the Lolo and the Gladys na big head again. You as a last lady, una head na big head. Una wey be ashish, una see the girl man take the cup as ashish. Lolo, why you not come as is there cause they talk with you na to eat sleep? Why you not come as is there cause they carry the matter they talk say na so na do na so na not do this. Now you want call they talk am. If you did the same level with you, never get anything when one bring come outside, will you come outside and be saying Monica is this, Monica is that, Monica is that, Monica is this? More na man on own business. Because I say talk on, so I just start again, and me and my mouth not go close. Because me I don't understand una. Una you carry matter for head, waiting no concern. Una go carry for head. They send the video when last lady they do for me, when they do yesterday for me. I say waiting this one still know when they talk. Last lady, shut up your mouth as she you when use 70,000, you when use your TOT, they pay 70,000 euro. E get who spoil pass you spoil reach you. E get who don't use less in life reach you. You don't use 70,000 euro. You don't pay, use TOT. They work 70,000 euro. Give mama fortune. Iye fortune e gbema be gbana. Not being you use TOT to work for. Why you don't come out or live video say ito ha because na ito ha be on no gbe wa mo. Why ito ha you don't use 70,000. You don't use TOT. They pay 70,000. Give mama fortune we get a free shop for Bologna. You don't talk huh? When you call the commander the trauma give London every money can't gbo wa kun. Monica matter go kill una head. Ask me this so. I know they like oppression. And I know they like where una for see person they go up. Una want bring her down. So still they like to bring her down. Rich now still get view past all of them. If you want talk matter, they go they like video now. Una some of una when see the turn and see if I got the clap and they follow. Now that one me they talk. Una go follow the whole platform up and down. You never enter live video now. Now that una fair go open una white ear. Una want listen wait till she want talk. And then una go see can come on, go another platform. Una still go the talk. Now still be the same person when go see the chat. Now somebody cannot go to una dey on go dey put fire. Say Lolo now, each people now don't carry and enter house. But now the Lolo now start the problem. We not say Lolo not fair good. Lolo now just bad person. Because now rat when they short person when they blow person na Lolo be. Na Lolo be right from the one she's enemy of progress. Where I tell no say Lolo na enemy of progress. Now when one lady when they call Vera show her 2 hours for Europe here. That's in Germany last time. When I go remember what they talk so. Can you imagine Lolo come out on live video begin they swear for that lady. He see her lash, see this, see that. That time when you dey do, you not talk say Monica not good. You not say na so Monica dey you not got the tell her me not do you ain't not get husband. Which man you can't get? You ain't see they give your man money. Which money you can't get now? When you when they give your man money, now you call the tell and say Monica they do but you they forbid. You know they do no, because you they forbid. You know they both one. And I use spoil part. You when small children call they sleep with for house. You not talk your own now. You not talk say see where you wanna for do, see wetin you wanna do. Now oh you can't dey talk. Why be say you always full of enemy of progress? Why be say if you see who dey better, go dey vex you? You know they make person meet up, oh my people. Person when they see person want better, you go to find where to draw and they go to find bad thing to tell that person. That person know the better. Let to be frank and sincere. They should stop all those nonsense what they do for social media. Gladys and last lady, me I want to ask you now two questions. Now Monica Mata go kill you now for this one. Either you like it or not. Either you take it or leave it. Monica Mata must kill you now. Because no but now want to say Monica not good. Again, when I probably Monica wamahu. So na see they are alive. Mona Pierre. No be now want to come and say Monica not good. No be now want to spoil her name because it's not a better pastor for the YouTube side. Make una mind our own business. Last lady, you want the trauma, you and your godmother when the trauma give Monica. Wetin be una problem, safe. One of they like to they support bad thing. Wetin Lolo do it good. If you like, you go rent house. If you like, you go to say the house na you. Lolo, you still get paper. You say you get passport. I don't know one or so get passport. Passport now this and do better thing. Who get 1 year, 2 years go know wetin go do pass now. Some of them they say they get passport, they get passport. Now government, other government they still dey. Lolo say you get passport, now other government Lolo still dey. They say they count 50 euro for that. Government not give Lolo no go shop. You get passport, you know it's a good business. You get passport, you know work. You get passport, you don't get any business when they do. Now see government. People when see the Netherlands for there will be say the new come. Now the same money when they follow government, when they drag for government. Now you Lolo still they drag for government. You don't know how to do business. You don't know anything about business, but you like jealousy. But now suddenly, when you are your quarrel because you know the jealousy and say that they sell with one, they sell many things. Now you come and say they sell with one. Makeup class is free. This one is free. Make I tell you. Those of now they want to put person down. Una forget say not be God. Una forget say not be Alpha and Omega. Una forget say no be una want talk who waiting person want become for life. Yes. Because pull it down for Edo State for Benin, especially Benin people are boom. It don't too much. Why better him? Obama team we bog. Make Oba swear for una because una don't too like to spoil una own Benin person, una own Edo State person. Yoruba go down. Una no both trauma give Yoruba. Ansa go dey. Una no both trauma give Ansa. Igbo go dey. Una no both trauma give Igbo. If you come to Benin like una, if you come una sister una brother, waga kpo level to, waga ye gbe ya silly when oro talk ya. But if you come to outsider, una go dey run. They know you shan't take you. But now, if you come to their person, they go dey la up and down. Una you say na le Benin on your con worse or Edo State on your con get for but another tribe no dey. Go Yoruba platform, you go here wetin dey sup. Go Igbo platform, you go here. But why you don't say Igbo person dey when you go your dollar your gang up, they want draw one person down. No. Or family member go come and go want draw your sister or brother down. No. But why be say that Benin, it get wetin they put for that Benin, not make some Benin people get brain. Some of them not all. And I pray make that Oba swear for them. No me bok binya. Anybody when they want spoil Benin, anybody when want bring a Benin fellow human being that believe your blood sister, your blood brother, your friend, your relative, when you want bring that make Oba swear put for them. May swear give them, make their head for correct. Because they're all too much. Yeah, Monica here. The time when Monica they do, when they do, una they clap and they follow on. They never do una want die. Mona bear am now. Me I'm a kind of person I stand for the truth. When you do me that, when I see chance, me I'm a kind of person when you do me, I do you. I believe on that. I'd always talk when you do me ready for me, I must do you back. When he do you that time, I leave on. But when they come, they talk and say, and I saw they sleep, and I say no, they say sleep, don't see me. I come outside, I do video. I talk to her and I say tomorrow, no, that is me for you. But say because say me and I get matter, you can see say they always they tell you now. Me and you they call, not me say if I see waiting one queue or person they oppress me, I not talk with. I must talk with when I go watch my videos. I know the person when they do like this or when they forget what they talk. No. Because me don't know so now the same thing when they do Monica, now they still be one me that they do me. The same thing they be tell one me they put Monica down. Now the same thing they be see one me they do me before. Now God cause he stand for me. I cause he take the Many people they mind their own business. Women, mona empower on say, mona find way to na go do, mona live sha. because now they talk true, I be bad person. As I dey now they tell you the truth, I be bad person. They should leave Monica alone. Not be now. I want call the shout Monica. Like this. Mind your business with your big head. Your children be this, your children be that. They do university. The platform. Food now that they cook. I'm giving me a school. You mind your business. Make una mind a business. Make peace for this social media. Make peace for this place. Make people forget peace. Make una mind a business. Monica this, Monica that. So they carry my matter last month with the useless Kate. When carry my matter come and Kate me they know where. Kate, I go pay you to the call. And I'm down one they come. When I want still bring come aside. As you be want still take go use sham, take your pa wife pikin. That one does still they come. When that one enter abroad. As you take send people go worry, make they go do. When you send Dr. Ifa, the Babalawo don't die now. And they come for the next topic. That is me for you. When you do me ready for me. When Kate they do last month, it is a no go reach at all. Now this one be the enemy of progress people when me they talk. When you are suffering, when you the manager, they will do like say they don't see you. Immediately though they wait for you, they will say which place if what happen. Una not forget so not be God. Una not forget so not be God. Because me I don't understand all those things. Monica this, Monica that, this one that. Lolo na good person. Wetin Lolo do so good, your friend go Nigeria. He thought say he get hotel, whether he buy or whether they build and system. Wetin call concern when you call they do video, they thought not being get. Because me I know say na wetin vex Lolo na be that another thing no dey. Na wetin paranoid Lolo na be that one. You won't talk na mutake koma. Kwemu well Lolo, are you not ashamed of yourself? Nah, you they wait for not the wait for person. Okay, you be the wait for Monica. Then when you call say Monica don't pass now, I call they pay you for body. Now you call they sell with them. Now you call they sell this. Where were you ever since? You fought how they look where this one know where they go. Who want even follow this one buy something? Who want even near this one? But now you are still the same person complaining. You understand? You are still the same person complaining. Now you call they don't say you go the enemy class, you go do this one, you go do that one, you go do this, you go do that. Now say you want one, now say you want to do this one, now say makeup class free, this one free. Now that one you want it better. Now that one you want it better. Now you can tell I not sleep with me. You can't sleep with me. Why won't you say it ever since? Why you not carry the matter, talk and come outside in public, say, Mona look Monica, they sleep around. Oh. You not sleep around, you ain't come up for you, if you go, they find your S-man for UK. We not say, we not do video. We say, we not blind. When you go, they find your S-man, we don't leave you. You come, they find out, they go for UK. He need you again, now you they find out they go. Not be man, they find woman, a woman, they find man. You find out, he still dust you. He still dust you like Byro. Now you call the girl, they carry Monica matter. Monica the fucking Monica the Monica. You know you don't see your list. Wait till they suck cassava. Now so better people lives be. Unu why you woro kia we ya lolo. Nu we na lolo. Oh wolo le ya oh. Oh wolo le ya. Oh wo ya. Nu we na because you see go mother sleep with that person. You not good, you not get man. So Monica get man. And even though you like, you say you sleep with me. When me they talk, that I say the no get come say you sleep with Monica, you sleep with B&B, you sleep with Pressure Mego. Why you not come outside talk say na truth? You when it says when the matter still concern you, where my layer. You not wrong, you not hide. Why can't you come at that time and say yes, it's truth? Go the brief video. Now so it peace. I didn't see anything wrong with that. Yes. On my own view, on my own conclusion, on my own opinion. I don't see anything wrong with that when Gladys go they put for one. I'm gonna say. Gladys say when nothing was 70,000. Do you want last day? I make on two not the same. Last day you still to pay 70,000 euro. Give mama fortune. You carry 70,000 euro. You go give black boy for us. Black boy break your side mirror. Now you consider the same matter they talk to Monica. Which man Monica don't give 70,000 euro? Which man Monica don't even give 10,000 euro? May come out to me talk about the one when you know when from your present to give them. You when fit comot, you can't go dey give black boy for house when I want break your side mirror when you be 1 month. Now that thing they make your head not correct sometimes when you see the shout, whoa, 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 no, they let you near you rest. Make you a last lady, more on mind on business. Make una mind on business, una own too much. More on the mind on own business. Because I don't understand una. Monica, egbe magi yoku wa. Una not go get peace again. Last lady, you not talk, you know the two saga, no they talk of people matter. I know say na fear, not let you talk to me. Now Monica, the trauma give you. Now you know say Monica the trauma give you. Now you come on another day, come break, reach where you did because your godmother they verse for Monica. Me no say really. Now wait till make you come out yesterday for live video when you call the cost, when you call the trauma give Monica. Monica, I do this one. Monica, do that one. Monica, wait till consign you last lady to her. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Me una de shame. You are last lady and like this. More na de shame. Now una be the problem of YouTube. Now na be problem of social media. More na get peace. More na let one rest. Una own too much. Because I don't even know what is wrong with you people. You una too. You the first say no the phone saga, and then they do saga, and then they do saga, and then they do saga. But you na saga, na inside saga now you for the swim. When you concern you concern Monica matter. When you concern you concern Monica matter. Because say your godmother they support Lolo. Now make you by the trauma give Monica they support Lolo. So of which we know. Lolo, you ain't not the shape. Now you they carry people matter they talk. They carry Lolo Monica matter they talk. After how many years in relationship, friendship. Now you know still shame. Shame not still cash you. You come outside, can they talk this, can they talk that? Now so a peace for body. Where for peace for body? Eh? Where for see where for peace for body? You dead there because me I don't say anything wrong with that. This is a person peace for body. Because sometimes person, I don't know what's wrong with that. You understand? I don't know what's wrong with that. It peace for body. Una never break. Come as one man was because person they drink. As me so I feel drink. If I like I peace for body, it concern man. If I don't like, I say this, I don't go buy anything. Yeah, no, wait till they call them Jack Daniel. Be wait till they call. If I don't like, I drink a piece of body. Now your body I piece put. If I like a piece of body, I call the use body to this way. Or can why? Cause sound na. It concern na. If you like a piece of body, it not concern anybody. Your president wey is useless na gbogbo na me society they drink. All na senator wey do belle polok like frog when they march for ground. All of them they drink. Wetin call be Monica Drico when you're not here for one want people. So Lolo, you get that kind of video when you keep ever since. At the owner come tell me say Lolo not dey find Monica trouble. Lolo just keep her because who you are person they play. You have the mind and the gods. Take carry waiting don't take. How many years you keep her? And then I can say that person a good person. That not be person when they find where to bring your person down. You can't talk down and say if you bring her down, you can't say it go affect them. You can't say it not go make your program go where. Because you come outside, they talk now, they push you come outside, they don't give you any cent. They give you their mark money. I wait till they call when not get value. Then they pack and give you for them. May they for see here the one way you talk. If they see me, they see go check every money cannot come outside talk your matter. You go see get that sticker. Not be small money, go see get from there. You all know because you come outside, they talk Monica. I can't get belly. Now say, I say, wow, I can see one rabbit. I can't pick. I can see one baby. I can see pussycat. Mechonuba. I can see pussycat. I can wow, look a beautiful baby. You know the shame. Egui, you are tortoise. You be tortoise, Lolo. Who see you and Monica? Who better pass? Before or now? Who get eye? Who better pass? Because I dey hate. Una fit dey talk say Vera don't change. I not change. Una fit dey talk say why Vera call dey support Monica? No, I'm not supporting anybody. But I just want to bring a point out. I hate when person go they keep something when want to use against person in future. What will you gain if you do that? And the useless and shameless sister brothers when they do all those things. Life not better. Una no go let you want better. Now that one they vex me for una. Life not better, Monica. Lolo. If life better, Lolo no go come outside go they keep things. Okay, you say you are following somebody, your friend with your clean heart. Why will you go and keep such a thing? You understand? Why will you come on, go keep that kind of thing? You go save her. Then you go to find where you want to enter a body so that you go feel publisher. Okay, you call publisher now wait in me. You get your life. You can naked open your TOT for ground. You can come and open your breast for ground. Now you get your body. If you like, you drink. Many of our women, even many of our single mothers, many they drink. Pass that one. Now their life, now their body. It not concern you, Lolo. If you like me, Monica, drink. It not concern you. You understand? It not concern you. Not let that one be your problem. Not let that one be your headache. Not let that one cause they disturb you for mind. You understand? No, you let that one cause they disturb you for mind. They do worry you, they worry you for body. No. You understand? Who like he drink? Who like he not drink? Who like he do this? Who like he not do? Now how